Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to configure the best HDR or high dynamic range settings for your Windows computer, assuming your computer's hardware supports it. So assuming it does support the HDR requirements, which if we're going to just kind of give general requirements, it's an HDR capable display, obviously an HDR-capable GPU, as well as a DP or HDMI cable. So pretty straightforward, and let's go ahead and jump right into actually making these modifications. So you would open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select display, so go ahead and left click on that. And now go ahead and select HDR up at the top. Now you would scroll down here, and if you did have a capable HDR display, which we do not in our case, you would see options underneath where it says select the display to view or change its settings. You would select the display you want to modify here, and there would be something that says display capabilities. There would be options right here to say play streaming HDR video as well as use HDR. You would toggle both of these to the on position, again, if your hardware supported it. And that's pretty much it. Process is very similar in Windows 10 as well. One other thing too, if you're using nightlight mode, it might distort the HDR appearance. So if you search for nightlight, go ahead and open that up. And you might want to consider turning that off when you're using the HDR settings perhaps. And you might want to turn off the scheduling the nightlight. You don't want it coming on at all. So that's one thing you might want to consider adjusting here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.